Like, subscribe, share, comment. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you super easy 10 native English slangs that would really helpful for you. Let's start.
I'm wrecked. I'm super tired. I'm starving. I'm super hungry. I'm pissed off. I'm angry about something. I'm great. I'm very happy and good. I'm stuffed. I have eaten a lot and can't eat anymore. I'm buzzing. I'm excited, energized. I'm faffing. I'm wasting time. I'm nagged. I'm annoyed, irritated. I'm tapped. I'm pleased, happy, delighted. I'm lush. I'm beautiful.